Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, I did something. I shorted my first stock this year. Now, normally I am a long investor, but I just saw a massive opportunity that pretty much needed taking. I pretty much saw in super overvalued stock in my personal opinion. And we're going to be kind of talking to you guys about my plan and kind of my mindset behind this stock. It's something I normally don't do, but I just saw an opportunity, so I decided to take it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, do what you guys do. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and looking for stocks with opportunity like this, I highly recommend going out and checking out my swing trading school, where we talk about how to trade stocks, my strategies, my mindset, all that stuff. The stock market is roaring and you got to make some money off it. So guys, check out my swing trading masterclass down below. Code half off, 50% off. So guys, let's look at this. So the play that we took was actually on Carvana here. Now, honestly, one of the reasons I liked this play as a short play is you guys can see that we've seen a nice upward trend establishing a lot of buying pressure. So, if I'm looking to buy this stock, we always hear the expression of buy low, sell high. So my plan behind this here was, one, you guys could see this stock in the matter of a couple of weeks has gone from, the price near around $68 all the way up to $130. That's an 80% growth in the matter of, let's count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. 10 days at 86%. Now, we always hear that expression of any action or any reaction in the stock market is often an overreaction. So kind of what happened this past week is, now Carvana, whatever it is, they made me $4,000. Whatever happened, they announced an earnings report causing the stock to skyrocket up. Now, during this time, everybody that was holding during this time, right, even all the way back since 2022, so over 2 years, they are now finally profitable. So most people saw that as an opportunity to take profit, get out while they're ahead. You guys could see the massive volume spike right here of short sellers here. This spike was a key indication of selling pressure, as well as another clear indicator that I absolutely love is something called the RSI, also known as the Relative Strength Index. You guys could see that this stock was trading for a 91 on the RSI. The last time it was trading there was all the way back in here, where the stock went from $62 all the way to $42 a share, which was a massive amount of sell-off. Now, you might be saying, well, Carter, how did you find this play? And are you going to sell it? Guys, I pretty much already sold it. It was like my first day trade. I bought it, or I shorted it this morning, and you guys could see that this thing has just been stair-stepping its way down. I started this short this morning, and now I'm already up about 5%, which is an absolute crazy thing. So my plan is, my stop loss is going to be near and around this pretty much this $117 mark. So I still own some shares, but easy, fantastic trade. You guys could see, looking at the daily, the thing just fell below these moving average lines and just continued to rally its way down. My kind of plan and process behind it was, once it started breaking out above these moving average lines, there could be a possible trend reversal, and that was my plan. The last thing I wanted to do was hold this position when it was above these moving average lines, where it just continued to rally. But the second you guys can see it fell below it, just continue to get sell off here. So that's kind of my plan and process behind it, but this is an easy way you guys could short positions, and this is something I normally don't do. That's why I didn't even have really an opportunity to talk about it, in previous swing trading lessons. And I wanted to make this video and start really making videos about our course and stuff like that, because I do think it's important here to understand a strategy and practice it before you guys implement in your strategies and practice and do all that stuff. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this, but overall, I hope you guys learned something. If you guys did, like, subscribe, do what you guys do, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.